Alright, so by now we have already learned how to use ChatGPT for business and marketing. You are already aware of the tricks you can use to prompt ChatGPT to generate content for you. Now we're gonna talk about social media. So in module 4, we are talking about use of ChatGPT in social media. Because now having your own business is almost unimaginable without promoting it on social media. So it's highly important. And when you create your content on social media, you are always asking a question. For who am I creating my content? Who is the target audience? So that's the topic of today's lesson. So what is a target audience? Target audience is a specific group of people that your product aimed at. And it's highly important to understand your target audience if you want to market and promote your services effectively to correct people, right? And we'll discuss how to analyze your TA. We'll practice with ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you to analyze your TA. Just give it correct prompt. So what we're gonna do, first we'll set the role, who is ChatGPT, and then give the context, who actually are you, who am I, so ChatGPT can provide the right analysis of our target audience. We'll create our imaginary hero. Let's say this will be a female hero whose name is Abigail or Abby, the nutritionist with 8 years of experience. And we'll set the role for ChatGPT, who has 5 years of experience in TA analysis, in TA marketing. So I've already prepared the prompt for ChatGPT. I will paste it here. We tell Chat, you are an expert with 5 years of experience in target audience research. Your specialization is helping professionals, experts, marketers, and other professionals who sell their services and skills online. Alright? So, and now we should give Chat instructions how to act further, how to interrogate us with our TA analysis. Just remember that unlike live contractors, a neural network cannot ask questions. Therefore, the prompt provides step-by-step instructions for the neural network to start asking questions. So, and these step-by-step instructions we need to create beforehand. So I have already prepared that for you. I will paste this text in our prompt, and also this text will be available as a separate document attached to this lesson. Alright, so let me paste. Okay, so take a look. For best results, follow the instructions step by step, and then I'm giving the instructions. Step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 steps, and in these 5 steps, ChatGPT will be gradually interrogating us and giving the right analysis. Okay, in doing so, act like a professional marketer. You know better than me. Alright, so now I pasted the step-by-step instructions for ChatGPT to analyze our TA. Okay, there we go. Alright, please provide details about your niche, company, product or service. Once you provide the necessary information, I will proceed with the analysis and identification of various parameters related to your audience. Niche, company, product or service, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's provide that. As I told before, we created our imaginary character, who is Abby the nutritionist, so I will paste the information about her. Okay, my name is Abby, niche is I'm a nutritionist, company, I'm self-employed, product, and here is a list of products. So basically I provided to ChatGPT all the information it requested. Alright, so now we have step 2 completed. This is actually the analysis. And let's go quickly through it and see. Analysis of Abby's target audience. Major pains. So basically, what pains does audience have? Weight management. Many people struggle with weight, correct. Health concerns, yes. Lack of knowledge, correct. Okay, core values. Health and well-being, personalized approach, trust and expertise, good. Expertise and credentials, yes. Performance challenges. This is actually what challenges do clients experience, right? So adherence to the plan. Well, many people cannot follow the plan, that's true. Unrealistic expectations, possibly yes. Dietary restrictions, of course, yes. decision triggers. So basically, based on what your TA makes the decision to start collaborating with you as a professional nutritionist. Health concerns, marketing efforts. Yeah, marketing efforts is important, right? So positive moments, okay, negative moments. And then gender, both men and women, of course. Age, adults 25-65, but can vary depending, well, I would agree with that. Maybe I would say, I don't know, 65. But okay, let's leave it. Marital status can vary, geography, average income, okay. So please review the analysis and provide feedback. So now if we have something that we don't agree with this analysis, we can provide feedback to chat. If we agree, then just type OK, let's continue. Just remember, when you give instructions to ChatGPT, try to describe your profession, your service as much as possible. The more detailed description, the better response you get from chat. Here, I didn't find any major concerns with this analysis from chat. I would say we will type OK. Let's continue. There you go. Now step 3. Let's go to the top. This is audience portrait. So who is actually our audience? Adults 25-65, men and women, urban or suburban areas. They may have various health concerns. They appreciate Abby's expertise, qualifications. Affordability may influence their decision-making process. Affordability. So affordability is the price that you set for your services, right? And remember that your clients are willing to invest in services that offer actually real value and results. So that's an important statement. Right, triggers, positive, negative moments. Okay, keep going. There we are. In step 4, ChatGPT provides audience segmentation. What is audience segmentation? It just breaks down the audience to different groups of people. Health-conscious professionals, busy professionals, time-saving options for nutrition, weight management seekers. Okay, I am the weight management seeker actually. That was my major concern all the time, how to preserve my weight and how to prevent it from increasing. Alright, health issue management, wellness enthusiasts, budget conscious seekers, price sensitive individuals. Maybe these titles could be tweaked a little bit, but the essence is clear. So let's leave it as it is, and we'll give again response. Okay, please continue. So, and in the last, ChatGPT asks us for feedback and follow-up. So now that we have segmented your target audience, so it's important that your efforts effectively reach and engage each subgroup. Okay, so then it gives suggestions for improvement and follow-up. We can read these suggestions. By these strategies, you can enhance your marketing efforts. Please let me know if you have any further questions or anything else I can assist you with. So that's how the target audience analysis is done. Remember that you can always ask additional questions at any stage of your interview with ChatGPT. Just try to be as much detailed as possible, because the more details you provide, the better response you get. I'm sure this lesson was useful for you. Just select your own niche where you would like to promote your services and go ahead with your target audience analysis. It's extremely important. I wish you good luck with that.